Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G85, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once that's the case for you, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound on good pop-up right here with several different options like edit, share, Google Lens, delete, visible. Now for a minute it does disappear. Once the screenshot disappears, you can actually find it in your photos by going into the library and screenshots. Oh, not screen recordings, screenshots. There we go. And you can see I have one screenshot in here. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.